Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Bringing the drama, French Baroque meets emerald and gold. Okay, let's talk about a design daydream I can't get out of my head. French Baroque? But make it cozy, not cavernous. We're taking all that glorious, over-the-top drama from the era of Versailles and translating it into a home you can actually live in. The secret weapon? A stunning jewel-toned wallpaper in emerald green and antique gold, with a classic damask pattern. This isn't about chilly grandeur. It's about lush, inviting warmth. Imagine it as a velvet-lined jewel box, where every room feels both opulent and intimate. We're mixing ornate details with comfortable touches to create a space that's breathtaking, but also breathable. Ready to see how this plays out room by room? Start outside with a touch of theatricality. Think a pale stone facade with soft, curved lines and a wrought iron gate with a fleur-de-lis motif. For the garden, sculpted boxwood hedges in simple patterns frame a central fountain, a quieter nod to Baroque formality. Climbing ivy or pale roses soften the stonework, adding romance. It's a subtle prelude to the rich drama waiting inside. Your first wow moment happens here. Cover the walls in that emerald and gold damask wallpaper. It instantly sets the lavish tone. A carved gilded console table holds an ornate mirror or a dramatic piece of art in a heavy frame. The floor? A black and white checkerboard marble or tile for classic punch. Keep it functional but fabulous with a crystal chandelier and a simple gold tray for keys. This is where you lounge in luxury. Use the emerald wallpaper on one accent wall, pairing it with deep cream on the others to keep it from feeling overwhelming. Sink into a plush, cream-colored sofa with curvaceous legs and sumptuous velvet or damask pillows in gold and green. A richly carved wooden coffee table and heavy, tasseled curtains in a complementary silk complete the look. It's decadent, but the creamy balance makes it wonderfully inviting. Hello, Royal Retreat. Envelop the bedroom in the damask, maybe even on the ceiling for a truly cocooning effect. A towering upholstered headboard in cream or gold velvet becomes the throne-like centerpiece. Layer an ultra-soft bedding in creams and golds, with an emerald throw for contrast. Keep lighting soft with crystal sconces and a small chandelier. This room is for dreaming in grandeur. Dinner parties reach new heights here. Wallpaper all 4 walls to create an immersive jewel box experience. A substantial darkwood dining table with carved details grounds the space, surrounded by upholstered chairs in gold or cream fabric. Show-stopping elements are key: a massive gold chandelier, a giant gilt-framed mirror, and your best china on display. It's designed for making every meal feel like an event. We temper the opulence here for practicality. Use the damask as a backsplash or in a pantry nook, not on all walls. Pair it with cream-colored shaker-style cabinets, with ornate gold hardware, and darkwood countertops for a rustic touch. Open shelving to display beautiful ceramic or copper pots adds warmth. A classic farmhouse sink and simple pendant lights keep it casual and cook-friendly. Turn your bath into a private spa. Use the wallpaper strategically, behind a freestanding tub or in a vanity niche, paired with white subway tiles. A vintage-inspired vanity with a marble top and gold faucets feels perfectly Parisian. Plush emerald towels and a simple elegant stool add the final touches. Light some candles and you've got a petit palace all to yourself.